Oh boy, programming feels weird right now. Every week there's a new AI demo, a new tool, a new post saying developers are done, agents write code, co-pilots refactor everything, startups ship with tiny teams. So the question in every developer's mind is simple. Are we about to become useless? If you scroll long enough, it really looks like it. People generating full apps from prompts, frameworks building projects automatically, tools wiring backends without you touching anything. It feels like the industry is slowly removing the need to actually understand code. But the moment you work on real software, the story changes. Writing code was never the hardest part. The hard part is knowing what the system should do, why it behaves like it does, and what breaks when you change something small. AI helps with syntax. It doesn't replace understanding. Right now, everyone is using AI tools. Copilot, Cursor, Claude, generators everywhere. They are fast and they save time. But once the project stops being a demo and becomes a real product, speed stops being the main problem. Real code bases are messy. They have history, bad decisions, unfinished features, and logic nobody wants to touch. You can't fix that with one prompt. You need someone who can read the system, understand it, and change it without breaking everything else. This is why the AI era doesn't remove developers. It exposes them. When the easy work gets automated, the only thing left is the part that requires thinking. Architecture, debugging, design, trade-offs, the parts that were always the real job. Before these tools, you could survive by just writing code all day. Take a ticket, write a function, push the change. Now the tools can do that too, so the value moves somewhere else. Not typing speed, but knowing what should be written in the first place. Companies don't actually want fewer developers. They want developers who can handle more complexity. People who understand large systems. People who know why something works locally but fails in production. People who can make decisions, not just write syntax. This is why a lot of juniors feel stuck right now. The old path was simple. Learn a language, get hired, gain experience. Now the beginner work is automated, so the gap to real engineering feels bigger. You have to learn faster and understand deeper. But higher difficulty doesn't mean fewer jobs. It means the job changes. Every time software becomes more powerful, the need for real engineers increases. Because the more automation you have, the more dangerous it becomes when nobody understands what the system does. Look at serious software. Infrastructure, finance, large platforms, distributed systems. These don't run on prompts. They run on people who understand how everything connects. AI can help build parts of it, but someone still has to know if the whole thing makes sense. So the AI era isn't the end of developers. It's the end of developers who never went deeper. The ones who adapt will move faster than ever. The ones who only relied on writing code will feel stuck, and that gap is getting bigger every year. We don't need fewer developers now. We need better ones. People who understand systems, not just syntax. People who can think, not just generate code. AI didn't kill programming. It removed the easy parts and left the real work visible.